Express Series, English for Logistics by Marion Grussendorf. Published and copyright Oxford University Press, 2009. Unit 1. Exercise 1. Speaker 1.
Logistics means that you manage the procurement and movement of goods and the storage of inventory.
Speaker 2.
It means the delivery of the goods the customer needs at the right time, in the right place, and of the right quality.
Speaker 3.
My definition of logistics is this. It's to plan, organise and manage operations that provide services and goods.
Speaker 4.
Logistics. That's the purchasing, maintenance, distribution and replacement of material and staff.
Speaker 5.
Logistics is the planning and support of operations such as warehousing, inventory, transport, procurement, supply and maintenance.
Unit 1. Exercise 5. Speaker 1.
My job is to organize the transport of goods either by sea, air, road or rail. An important part of the job is dealing with customer requests about the most suitable mode of transport. My responsibilities also include negotiating good shipping rates with shipping lines and transport companies. I also make booking reservations. That means I book space on a ship, train, lorry or airplane. Another part of the job is to consolidate a number of shipments under one bill of lading. Apart from that, I have to deal with all the necessary documentation, and in many cases, I arrange customs clearance on behalf of my clients.
Speaker 2.
I'm responsible for getting freight and passengers to their destination safely and on schedule. Most of my customers are international transport or shipping companies. In my job, I have to make sure that the cargo is not damaged on board the ship or while loading or unloading. I'm also responsible for financial aspects. That means, for example, I have to keep an eye on the budget and estimate costs. Additionally, I advise customers on shipping rates and prepare quotations for our sales office.
Speaker 3.
Generally, my job is to know where every piece of stock is at any given moment. When new goods arrive, I check where to put them in the warehouse. For all this, I use modern computer systems and sophisticated hardware and software. Our warehouse management system helps us store and retrieve the goods quickly. Another part of my job is to liaise with departments such as transport and production. Apart from that, I ensure that vehicles, machines, and any other kind of equipment are maintained to a high level. And last but not least, I take care that health and safety standards are maintained.
Unit 2. Exercise 3. Provider 1.
We are one of the world's leading transport companies with a freight volume of 600,000 containers per year. As a major non-vessel operating common carrier, NVOCC, we can offer our customers competitive rates with all major shipping lines, as well as flexible solutions for different sea freight requirements. We specialise in solutions for full container loads, FCL, and less than container consolidated loads, LCL. We also provide our customers with services such as web-based tracking for cargo in transit.
Provider 2.
As a specialist in home textiles, we can offer our clients customized services to meet their needs. With more than 25 years' experience in the industry and a modern fleet of vehicles, we can ensure fast, safe delivery of your consignments. Our services include order picking, packing, distribution and handling of all transport documentation. Our team will be happy to assist you in all matters regarding your order.
Provider 3.
Cargo Express is Asia's leading provider of air freight services. Specializing in consolidated air freight forwarding, we can provide you with tailor-made solutions for your air transport requirements. We work closely with air carriers around the world and can offer our customers a wide range of flexible and cost-effective services. These include collection, consolidation, customs clearance, distribution, and online tracking of all cargo movements.
Unit 2, Exercise 5. 1.
As a major non-vessel operating common carrier, we can offer our customers competitive rates with all major shipping lines.
2.
We specialize in solutions for full container loads, FCL, and less than container consolidated loads, LCL.
3.
As a specialist in home textiles, we can offer our clients customized services to meet their needs.
4.
Our team will be happy to assist you in all matters regarding your order.
5.
We can provide you with tailor-made solutions for your air transport requirements.
6.
We work closely with air carriers around the world and can offer our customers a wide range of flexible and cost-effective services.
Unit 2, Exercise 12. Speaker 1.
Express Logistics Online Shipping. With our quick online shipping tool, you can find the right service to suit your shipping needs. This online tool allows you to plan shipments, book collections and deliveries, and keep track of your consignments. Using this system, you can also prepare shipping and customs documentation and check shipment records for up to 90 days. To use QoS, simply log on by selecting your town or region from the drop-down menu on the left.
Speaker 2.
Intercargo e-shipping. Our web-based booking system offers you an extensive range of e-services designed to simplify your shipping requirements. After registering with e-shipping, you can make price requests, schedule transport, and obtain real-time shipment information. With this user-friendly tool, you can receive quotations for worldwide shipments and place orders. You can also track pickups and deliveries. With a mouse click, you can also download commercial documents in PDF format.
Unit 3, Exercise 2.
Today, I'm going to tell you something about CRP. That means continuous replenishment. I'll also explain how it can be used to lower inventory and operational costs and to shorten product lead times. Let me start by explaining what CRP means. It is a system which is activated by consumer demand and which coordinates the flow of information and goods in the logistic chain. CRP is a sales-based ordering system which works like this. First of all, you decide what products you want to order at what stock level. The system will use this information at the point of sale in the retail store. Then the order is processed at the warehouse. And finally, the goods are delivered to the retailer. To illustrate how this works in practice, I'll give you an example. The leading Russian clothes retailer, Young Fashion, introduced continuous replenishment 3 years ago. With the new system, All orders are generated by computers, which process data received from cash registers. The computer program, which is extremely flexible, is called Retail Ordering Assistant. The orders are sent to the warehouse by electronic data interchange, where they are processed. And finally, the goods are delivered to the different outlets according to a schedule. Since the introduction of the CRP system, Young Fashion have managed to cut inventory and transport costs by about 15% and have reduced lead time to only 18 hours. Moreover, errors in order processing have been reduced considerably by using scanning technology and EDI.
Unit 3, Exercise 9.
OK, let's get started. You know that we need to discuss negotiation strategies with one of our medical equipment suppliers today. I suppose we all agree that we are interested in a more cooperative relationship with our supplier, BAF. I think we would definitely benefit from a strategic partnership. How do you feel about that?
I agree. I think we could lower costs considerably and work more efficiently if we cooperated more closely. But we need to think about reasons why they should enter into a partnership with us. What are your thoughts on that, Giselle?
I think you're right. That's why we should tell them that it will be to their advantage to work with us because we are the market leader.
Yes. And I also suggest telling them that this is a good opportunity to associate with a major pharmaceutical brand like ours.
That sounds good. In my opinion, it would also be important to point out that we are interested in establishing a long-term agreement.
Good idea. And why don't we say that it's their chance to enter the pharmaceutical market? So far, they haven't had access to this market.
Yes, good point.
Excellent. Thanks for your comments. I'll work out a catalogue with the points we have covered today and we'll send it to you tomorrow.
Unit 4, Exercise 2.
Well, basically, we have 3 shipping options. We can use inland waterways, road, or rail.
Right. Let's start with the river barge. How long would it take to ship the consignment by barge?
Normally about 6 days, but it often takes longer if the weather's bad.
And what about cost and flexibility?
It's cheap. It's actually the cheapest of all the transport options. It's not very flexible, though, mainly because there are only infrequent sailings. There are barges to Shanghai twice a week.
Okay, let's look at road transport. It would only take 4 days to ship by truck, but the cost would be about 50% higher than by barge.
Yes, but wouldn't it be much easier?
That's true. Let's see how this compares with rail. Rail would definitely be faster than the truck option if we use the express service. That takes 3 days.
But it would also be more expensive than shipping by road. Transport costs are about 40% higher, and the system isn't very flexible. Sometimes it is only possible to book space on the express train a few weeks in advance, and then perhaps we'd have to use the standard train, which is much slower.
So I think we need to check with our customer first and find out what's most important to them.
Unit 4, Exercise 8.
First of all, we offer the general purpose container for any general dry cargo. It comes with a timber floor and has various lashing devices to secure the load. These lashing points are located horizontally at floor level and vertically next to the door corner posts. Our refrigerated container, called reefer, can be used for delicate cargo and perishables. It is temperature controlled and is particularly suitable for cargo that needs regulated or cool temperatures. With our reefer, your cargo reaches its destination in perfect condition. If you want to ship liquids, for example, foodstuffs or chemicals, we can provide you with our tank container. This is a standard container frame with a tank fitted inside. As an extra, we also offer tank containers with electric plugs, in case the cargo needs cooling or heating during transport. For bulky cargo, we recommend the open-top container. It comes with a PVC tarpaulin cover instead of a roof panel to allow loading from the top. The doors can be removed to make loading easier. Last but not least, there is our flat rack container, which is especially designed for heavy loads. We recommend this special type of container for the transportation of heavy machinery and pipes.